Hey guys, Coach Long here. Just practicing. So I just got through doing some jumps. Just as far as my normal practice goes, now I'm just warming up shooting, right? So I'm just going through a series of alignment strokes, right? So every day I shoot a series of alignment strokes, and trade ins, cuts, everything. Like there's my I shoot everything. Anyway, this is just a video. Probably I don't know if I'll post it or not. I may post it. Whatever. Um. Anyway. So I've been shooting these side pocket warm up shots, which I think are really good, and I'm just going to shoot a series of stop shots. Kind of a closer shot, so I can just work on alignment. Alignment and strokes. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Straight stop shot. Just stop the ball. Well, I mean, obviously, I don't want to miss it. Cut that ball a little bit, so got to be careful when shooting in the side pocket on a straight shot. If I hit it, if I cut it at all, I'm going to miss it. I want to hit it to the right side of the pocket. Anyway, I know that. There it is. Side pocket, right? It's just a shot. That's just one shot. Straight, long shot off the row. I like in my alignment and my stroke. I found that when I shoot the ball off the rails, I have to be more precise. Like if my stroke is off just a little bit on the rail, I'll miss, right? I'll miss. So right here, I'm just looking at, I'm gonna go back and I'll watch my video. And really, I'm just gonna watch. Just gonna watch my arm and hand movement. I'm gonna watch my head movement. Am I staying down? Am I coming up? What am I doing? Right? So not just for YouTube's sake as far as videos, but I first started using the video system in the YouTube just so I could personally watch myself, right? So whenever I'm gauging my mechanics, I want to see how precise I am, right? So I want to see exactly where I'm lining up to. Those last two I hit really good, right? Tiny fractional side spin. I don't know, tiny bit. Still made the ball, right? Still made the shot. I don't know. Try another one. Really, I'm not doing a whole lot of pre-stroke. I'm just aligning like I'm shooting a rifle, like a gun. And then I'm just shooting it, right? Just shooting, I'm just firing, right? It's not a fire drill, but I have a video called Fire Drill, but I'm just shooting, just alignment and stroke, right? Alignment and stroke, alignment and stroke. Something I literally I work on every day, alignment and stroke. Right? My dogs, I don't know what they're doing. They're always growling at each other. Always growling. So those are kind of off rail, long rail shots, right? Long rail shots, side shots, long shots, rail shots. Now I'm going to be hand on the table shots. Still shooting straight in, right? Still shooting straight in shots. Here we go. I found here lately, and I've been watching a lot of pros, right? So I pay attention to mechanics from all high level players. And what I see is like most pros, for the most part, use an open bridge, and probably 90% of their shots, maybe 95. The only time I really see them go to a closed bridge is when they're really trying to apply a really big draw stroke, and they'll close their bridge up, and I think that just enables them to keep the tip down a little bit longer. So I think that's why they do that. But for the most part, for accuracy purposes and just shooting in general, because I think you can aim the open bridge a little better and more consistent. And just shoot it. I think it serves you better, right? So like I'm going, and I'm not talking about it, but I'm really going through my entire pre-shot routine, right? So I'm chalking, I'm standing back, and I'm on my shot line, and I'm just looking at the shot, and this is part of my just getting in stroke alignment stuff, right? So then I'm on the line, I get my stance, I got my hand down. And I stroke, and that was the first one that I missed, and I don't know why I missed that. I actually missed that to the right or left. I don't know. Who knows? I was doing good until that shot. Whatever. I started thinking about my mechanics, and I don't know why. Go through that again. Go through it again. That was better. So I found for some reason, and when I'm trying to go down low on the cue ball, that sometimes the ball squirts, and I get some deflection for whatever reason, even on straight in shots. And I don't know why. But anyway, usually when I go like a tip below center on these straight in shots, I don't deflect it near as much. And the line is actually fairly good. Fairly good. So I shot, well, this is a set of 15. I've shot almost every one. Made every one except for that one. So I should go 15 for 16. I would rather go 15 for 15. Yeah. It's kind of disappointing I missed the one, but in pool, we all miss. I don't care who you are. I've seen the top pros. They miss straight in. I see them line up and miss straight in shots. We all miss. We got a round tip, round ball, whatever it is. You could catch a piece of chalk or a piece of debris on the table that you don't even see, and throw the ball off just a tiny bit, and all of a sudden you miss. Someone can get on your tip, whatever it is. The ball could just cause the ball to squirt. Just a tiny bit and you miss, right? That's kind of how I think. I want perfection. So that's what I strive for. But it's not possible in pool. Perfection is not possible in pool. And I don't care who you are. You're not going to be perfect. You're going to miss. I missed that almost a quarter of an inch to the right. I barely hit the point, and it went in. If I would have hammered that, I'd have missed it. Anyway, shoot again. I'm gonna try to make this to the left side of the pocket this time. Stay away from that point. Left side of the pocket. There it is. That's a series of alignment and stroke, guys. I do a lot every day, a whole bunch of times. Part of my warm up, part of my just getting in stroke, getting ready to play. All right, I'll see you guys. You guys take care. Coach along.